dividing monomials is something that we've actually already done in its entirety. To divide monomials, we'll change that to an 8. Okay. To divide monomials, it's exactly the same as simplifying an algebraic fraction. Take the numbers and divide them or reduce them. It's up to you. Number that goes into both 8 and 12 is 4. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 4 goes into 8 twice. At this point we're left with just the variables. So we do top minus bottom. A to the second minus 3. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So we have A to the negative 1. B to the 3 minus 4 gets you B to the negative 1. Because 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So we end up with an answer of 3 over 2, A to the negative 1, B to the negative 1. Do one more example, just to make sure we understand. Let's go with 15, A to the 4th C, over 5, A to the 1st, C to the 2nd. Start with the numbers, 15 and 5. 5 goes in the, you can find the greatest common factor or a common factor of 15 and 5, which in this case is 5. 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into 15 3 times. Now we do the variables. A to the 4 minus 1. Remember, if you don't see an exponent, there's a 1 there. Top minus bottom. 4 minus 1 gets us A to the 3rd. 1 minus 2 gets us C to the negative 1. And again, just as I explained at the end of the last video, you can move the variables from the top to the bottom, but in doing so, the sign on the variable flips. So you go from having a positive 3 to a negative 3, or a negative 1 to a positive 1. Now the reasoning for doing this is, for instance, if this was my original answer, a lot of times mathematicians like to move these variables to the top, because if I have all of this over 1, I don't need to write the over 1, and it simplifies your answer. But again, if you want to know why this works, how come when I move the variable from top to bottom or bottom to top, it flips the sign of the exponent? Go visit, please, Chapter 4, Section 6 on negative exponents, and it will be explained there.